Hi everyone, my name is Raghu Reddy and I'm the Chief Business Officer here at Xiaomi India. A big warm welcome to all our Mi fans, media colleagues and everyone else who's joined us on the live stream. Very excited to be here today. I'm going to be talking about two things. One, give you a quick update on our largest category outside of smartphones. Two, talk in detail about our entry into a brand new category. We've been hard at work over the last few years launching our ecosystem of products, which includes both our connected IoT portfolio as well as other useful and essential products. This is the evolution of our connected IoT portfolio here in India. We started with Mi Bands in 2015, followed that up by launching Mi Air Purifiers in 2016. In 2017, we brought in the Mi Routers. In 2018, we launched the Mi TVs, and then in 2019, we followed that up with the Mi Smart Water Purifier. As you might imagine, the biggest category amongst all of this and the biggest category in India after smartphones is actually the TVs category. We managed to make considerable progress in the smart TV space. I'm very happy to share that we've shipped more than 4 million Mi TVs since launch in Q2 2018. What that means is, on an average, every quarter, we've shipped more than 5 lakh TVs. And thanks to that, we are the #1 smart TV brand in the country for 7 consecutive quarters as per the IDC Smart Home Tracker. And I would not be exaggerating to say that Mi TVs are now the smart TV of choice for India. While Mi TVs have driven a significant adoption of smart TVs, with the smart TV shipments now accounting for 50% of the overall shipments in 2019. But if you look at the last 4 years data, you will see that the overwhelming majority of TV buyers still have a basic TV with them. We estimate that approximately 34 million people bought basic non-smart TVs in the last 4 years. We believe that a lot of them will look for options to play content apps on their TV as well. However, we don't believe that everyone is going to go upgrade to a smart TV, given that it's a large ticket purchase. If you look at a lot of smart TVs that were launched earlier, for a variety of reasons, they've not been able to upgrade those TVs with these content apps. We are now trying to change that industry practice. We have pushed the latest Android TV update to more than 3 million of our existing customer base. With the latest update, Mi fans are able to enjoy the latest Google services as well as access to their favorite content apps like Netflix and Prime Video. For both these set of customers, the basic non-smart TV customers and the outdated smart TV customers, we have something new that will make sense. Introducing the Mi Box 4K. With the Mi Box 4K, we give you an option to convert your regular TV into a smart TV with access to all the content apps that you love. So how does the Mi Box 4K work? It is super simple. Step 1, connect your TV to the Mi Box using the HDMI cable provided in the box. Step 2, connect to the internet. Step 3, start streaming. That's how simple it is. It comes with your favorite apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney Plus Hotstar. You also get access to more than 5,000 plus apps and games on the Google Play Store through the Mi Box 4K. So the Mi Box 4K works with any kind of TV that you might have. It works with the HD TVs or a Full HD TV or a 4K TV. With Netflix and Prime Video offering more and more titles on 4K, we believe going forward a lot of content will be on 4K. With the Mi Box 4K, your content consumption is future-proof. Talking about future-proof, the Mi Box 4K comes with HDR10. With the HDR10, you get true to life color and saturation for everything that you watch on your TV. With the Mi Box 4K, you get support for Dolby Audio and the DTS audio codecs straight out of the box. These are the most popular audio codecs used by almost all the streaming services out there. The Mi Box 4K comes with the latest Android TV 9.0 out of the box. The Android TV 9.0 brings a lot of new features. My favorite feature out of all of those is the Chromecast built-in feature. With the Chromecast built-in, you can cast from thousands of apps on your phone to the TV. You can also cast from your tablet or laptop straight onto the TV. It's not just a regular Chromecast, but it's actually Chromecast Ultra built-in, which means that it'll actually support 4K casting. Another useful feature of the Android TV is the voice search powered by the Google Assistant. With the Google Assistant built into your Mi Box 4K, you can do so much more. You can discover and play content, you can control smart home devices, and you can plan your day and your daily activities with a lot of help from the Google. Mi TVs were the first Android TVs to get the data saver feature from Google, and I'm happy to share that the Mi Box 4K will be the first Android streaming box that will again get the data saver feature first. So how does the data saver feature in your Mi Box 4K help you? It helps in 3 distinct ways. Number 1, it helps you watch more for the same amount of data. Number 2, it makes you worry less about your data consumption by sending you regular updates on your data consumption. And number 3, it helps you cast your local content on your TV without using Wi-Fi. All of this is enabled by a 64-bit quad-core processor, a high-performing Mali GPU, 2 GB of DDR3 RAM, and an 8 GB of eMMC storage to give you a best-in-class performance. Let's talk about connectivity options on the Mi Box 4K. It comes with an HDMI 2.0 port. It also comes with a USB 2.0 port, which means that you can connect your external hard drives or pen drives to watch your offline content on the Mi Box 4K. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2, which means you can wirelessly connect your speakers or your favorite headphones to the Mi Box 4K. And finally, it also comes with a digital out for you to connect your home theater speakers to the Mi Box 4K. The Mi Box 4K also comes with support for a wide variety of video, audio, and image formats, as you can see here on the screen. That's pretty comprehensive, right? So that's Mi Box 4K in a nutshell for you. It comes with all your favorite content apps preloaded, plus access to more than 5,000 plus apps and games on the Google Play Store. It is based on Android TV, which means it comes with Chromecast Ultra built-in. It comes with Google Voice Assistant as well as Google Data Saver built-in. And all of this is enabled by a best-in-class performance thanks to the 64-bit quad-core 2 GHz processor driving the entire thing. To summarize it all, let's take a look at the product video.
Xiaomi.
So that's Mi Box 4K for you. Let's compare it with some of the other popular streaming devices that are available in the market, which happens to be the Fire TV Stick. If you compare the Mi Box 4K with the Fire TV Stick, the Mi Box 4K is built on Android TV 9.0, which means that it comes with access to 5,000 plus apps and games. It also has a more powerful 2 GHz processor. And finally, it also comes with a Chromecast Ultra built-in. And finally, the Mi Box 4K also comes with support for external media, allowing you to play your local files from your pen drives as well as hard drives. So that's Mi Box 4K vis-a-vis Fire TV Stick. If you look at the pricing for the Fire TV Stick, the full HD version retails for 3,999 and the 4K edition retails for 5,999. So what do you think the price of the Mi Box 4K would be? I'm very happy to announce that the Mi Box 4K will be available for an incredible price of rupees 3,499 only. It will be available at 12 noon on 11th of May on Mi.com, Flipkart and Mi Homes, and will soon be available across all the other offline stores as well. We've also got exciting offers for all the customers who buy the Mi Box 4K. We have offers from our content partners such as Docubay, Hoichoi, Epicon and Shemarumi. So that's it from my side. Wrapping up on the Mi Box.